Ever been in that awkward moment at the cashier, fumbling for cash while your GrabPay app stares back at you mockingly? You're not alone. We've all been there. But hey, fear not, fellow GrabPay users. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of GrabPay and uncovering exactly what treasures you can unlock with this digital gem. Imagine this: you're craving a piping hot bowl of ramen after a long day. You spot your favorite ramen shop, excitement bubbling within. But then reality hits: you're short on cash. Panic sets in. But wait. You remember your trusty GrabPay app. Can you use it to pay for that delicious ramen? Absolutely. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Now, let's get down to business. What wonders can you truly conquer with GrabPay? Well, my friends, the list is surprisingly long and delightful. Food and beverages, from street food stalls to fancy restaurants, GrabPay is your culinary companion. Craving a boba tea? No problem. Hungry for a burger? GrabPay's got you covered. Transportation, of course, we can't forget Grab's core strength, transportation. Seamlessly hail a Grab car, Grab bike, or even a Grab food delivery with just a few taps. Shopping, unleash your inner shopaholic. Many online and offline retailers accept GrabPay, allowing you to effortlessly purchase clothes, electronics, and more. Utilities, say goodbye to long queues. Pay your bills like electricity, water, and even internet with GrabPay for a hassle-free experience. Groceries, stock up on your essentials without breaking a sweat. Numerous supermarkets and convenience stores now accept GrabPay, making grocery shopping a breeze. Entertainment, movie nights and weekend outings just got easier. GrabPay often offers exclusive deals and discounts on entertainment options, from cinemas to theme parks. But wait, there's more. Using GrabPay comes with a slew of amazing perks. Convenience, no more fumbling for cash or carrying bulky wallets. GrabPay is always at your fingertips, ready to use whenever and wherever you need it. Security, enjoy peace of mind knowing your transactions are secure and protected with advanced encryption technology. Rewards, earn points and rewards with every GrabPay transaction, which you can later redeem for discounts and exclusive offers. Contactless payments. In today's world, contactless payments are king. GrabPay offers a seamless and safe way to pay without physical contact. Now, you might be wondering, what if I don't have enough funds in my GrabPay wallet? Fear not. Top up your GrabPay balance easily and quickly through various methods, including bank transfers and online banking. So, there you have it. GrabPay is more than just a payment app. It's your key to a world of convenience, rewards, and endless possibilities. Ready to experience the GrabPay magic? Download the app today and start exploring the exciting world of cashless living. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.